Today we are working on organizing our workshop, and the drawers were a mess. I've already started cleaning them out and I don't have complete footage of that, which I wish I had. But now I'm going to make some kind of organization system. So I thought I had more of these, but I don't. So I'm going to make something kind of like that right now. So we have a lot of scraps, so I'm just gonna pull together scraps. We have these trim board pieces that were left over from a trimming project. And then this is from working on our shed, building the shed. So we're just gonna, I can use that to help make a little tray. Getting there a little bit off. We spent a day organizing this workshop. Can walk around in it now, which is great. Having an organized space is so satisfying, and it makes it so much easier to do work out here. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.